Hi guys, Stephen back here now unboxing putty. I didn't use it yet. Don't worry, I didn't use it yet. I'm not that mean. Just opened it up and took off the magnet to see how heavy it is. Oh, it's pretty heavy. And just made a line so when I start the video, it just happens. No, this is south. This is the north. I'm putting it on south. I want it to go down. I'm just going to make it a bit more taller so you can see it easily. And look at this. Oh, not on south. Now look at this magnet. I can't believe it. Push it down. Keeps on attracting to the box. Now look what I made. A little circle out of it. How's that possible? I'm going to make such a tall line. I don't know how tall. Yeah, this tall would be great. Now just look at it. I'll just pull it back up. Look guys, it's up here. Now, it's down there. Now, it's back up. See, guys? It's back up here. Now it's down. Now it's down. Now it's slowly growing. It's like a growing plant. Now, just goes up. That is just so cool. Let me see what happens. You put this inside a putty. You squeeze this. And see it. It is actually eating it. It's actually eating it. So this is the last thing I want to show you of the video. These little dots are the magnet things that make the magnet stick to it.